Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss one of my projects about the integrating the Salesforce API in WordPress using custom code. Let me get started with the client's requirement. The client wanted us to design 2 subscription forms on WordPress. The other requirement was to fetch data in WordPress forms via API, and the data will be unique according to the user ID. With the help of WordPress form, user can update their data and the data will be updated in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Before moving on to the execution, let me give you an overview of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud and WordPress. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a customer relationship management platform for marketers that allows them to create and manage marketing relationships and campaign with customers. Salesforce Marketing Cloud assists digital marketers in delivering the right message to the audience at the right time. WordPress is a content management system that allows you to host and build websites. WordPress' rich content management system provides plugins, widgets, and themes to create and manage websites. Here is how we assisted our clients in fulfilling their requirements. Moving on to the project execution, basically, this is the subscription form. So, what we are doing in this? We fetch data from the Salesforce API and then show it in this form, and then we are updating this data. The data in this form is a dynamic for every user. We pass a user ID here and get this user ID in this form. And all the information in this form is dynamic for users depending upon this ID. Firstly, I would like to show you the WordPress page from where this template will be called. We create a custom template in the WordPress directory and then we are calling it here. So, I would like to show you the coding of this. So this is the page where the template is made. All the CSS, HTML and API calling code is written here. So there is some function like this function that is responsible for generating the access token. This function is getting data from a subscriber, and there are many more functions that are responsible for updating data in Salesforce. Here is the CSS of the form. And this is the form that is going to show in the front end. And the result in this code is here. We get all the info of a subscriber using this ID. This is a subscriber ID. We get this ID in our form and get the data accordingly. Users can update his or her subscription form. Talking about the update process, when the user fills data and clicks on the update button, an API is going to hit and update his or her data in the Salesforce tool. The same process is followed for the second form. Here we also get the data from the subscriber ID and show it accordingly in this field. Whatever the field is ticked or unticked by the user, and all the processes are the same as in the first form. Thank you. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you need any assistance or guidance with the WordPress or Salesforce integration to boost your company's capabilities and enhance the efficiency of your workflow, the Forcebolt team has the right solution for you. We offer end-to-end solutions that incorporate multiple backend systems and applications and guide you throughout the integration journey. Get in touch with us now.